Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion, and coming to you again today from the van. A look at the markets. Well, from what I see is stagnation. There's not a lot going on right now. I just want to talk about what's happening in terms of with the Dow. Now looking at the Dow Jones, it's not really doing much. It's just it looks like it's going to take another dip further by the looks of it to the downside. Hopefully not. Hopefully what we'll get is maybe over the course of the next couple of days a move back up, just because the Dow's not actually reached its full Fibonacci extension yet. So this is where I tell you about where I get this idea from, and that would be blockchain backer. Looking at his analysis, seems to play out really well in terms of fractals, and it lines up pretty well with narratives and things like that. That being, things that happen or supposedly happen fundamentally. So which often a lot of people think that is why markets move, because they're because of the fundamentals, when actually it's just a technical thing. It's just the way a particular market is, given a certain set of circumstances. So in our case, we're with cryptocurrency, we seem to be moving in line with the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones has been bullish ever since crypto has existed. So it's before cryptos existed, that being Bitcoin, and there's an actual market for it. So really, there isn't any data 100% to prove that it does move 100% with the Dow, but it is truthfully all that you've really got to go by. Crypto is in a macro bull market. It's not really hit a bear market yet, as to say per se. So this is why we're looking at the Dow Jones and what that's doing and how it could be an indicator. So if the Dow turns bullish, that could be a really good indicator to cryptos turning bullish. But in the long run, I think when you look at Bitcoin, it's not likely to make another new all-time high, possibly for another few years. I don't know. No one can actually really predict the future, but the charts can often tell the story. So yeah, I would be looking at really this point in time. It's accumulation time, really. Again, going back, looking at the Tesla stock. Sorry, not the Tesla stock. Looking back at the Twitter stock. When you look at the chart, that screams accumulation all over it. And a lot of people are saying, "Oh yeah, it's going to go private." So I have to go back to Twitter now. It's going to go private, and we're gonna, all of our shares will be sold for more money than what we paid for it. Blah 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 blah. But all the indicators point to Twitter running up before that. And likeliness is people selling out before that at a higher price. I don't know, but that's what the indicators seem to point at. Because, okay, if Elon Musk is going to take the company private, you know, he has to have brought it completely first, and the deal may take weeks, it may take months, it may take years. And if you look at, if you check out Max at the Stoic, you know, he's done a big, quite big video on that, going into the finer points, into the details. Yeah, and you know, that seems logical, right? It seems logical. Anything else seems illogical. So that's your update for today. Looking at what XLM's doing, same thing. All the cryptos, all the alts, they're all doing the same thing. It's this sideways capitulation. This is really what you could call accumulation time. We haven't had a proper bull run where altcoins, and I say altcoins, majority of altcoins, not including Ethereum, because I don't think that's going to hit a new all-time high. We haven't had a new all-time highs for 90% of the altcoins. You know, 90% of the established altcoins that have been around the block, been around for a while. We haven't had those all-time highs yet. So yeah, I would just say hold. It's not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. And yeah, I may even accumulate a little bit more, but is it likely? I don't know. I think I'm okay as it is. I might try and grab a few more Twitter shares, just because it's Twitter, really, and I use it even without the technicals, and it can go quite nicely in my ISA, my trading ISA. I won't discuss which platform, but I have a trading ISA. Anyone could do that, and you know, you don't have to pay capital gains on your first £20,000 that you put in, so it comes in handy, and that's every year. So every year that gets refreshed. £20,000. So you can quickly see if you've got dividend-paying stocks in your ISA. It's quite a nice move. So yeah, just a little bit of insight there. But yeah, let me know what you think. Again, I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion. Like, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care now.